Good morning, YouTube. We're gonna feed some snakes. Got 4 mice. So my dilemma right now, I'm working this new job and I'm working like double what I was working. I'm making like 100% more and that's great, but I don't have time to give my rats what they need. I'm gonna start looking into buying a freezer, maybe just ordering frozen and trying to get out of the rat breeding or just slow it down a little bit because I might spend 2 hours a week messing with rat tubs and dealing with babies, and I just straight up don't have the time anymore. I might have to make some adjustments here, so we're gonna go with our girl down here first. I know she's started. This girl, she a spicy girl. Hmm? Wait for him to make a mistake here. I didn't know she was in the back. I thought she was in her hide. I mean, she knows it's there. No, not me. Not me, girl. I'm not the mouse. She gets so just like pent up when she's ready to eat. This is too funny that she can't find it. Oh, got him. Oh ho. These mice are kind of stupid. They have no idea. Not gonna lie, at least the rats kind of, they understand what's going on. Feel a little worse for them. These mice are just dumb as hell. Got it that time. This is just kind of a quick one. Nasty girl. You're just a nasty girl. This will be our best strike we got on camera today if we get it. Got him. What can we do here? Really don't want to get a bite here, especially on her. Alright guys, quick one today. I got a lot of stuff going on, so I'm going to move on with my day. Give her a reason to tear up harder. There we go. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Understand that I do have empathy for these creatures, these mice. I don't get off on feeding them. Check out Gator Pull Gators. Try to support them if you can. Great channel.